Merry Christmas to all my students. Today, in the variants of chapter 1, we are going to see the fundamentals of this chapter and the questions, few questions for your practice. In real number, there are two parts of the chapter. First is Euclid division algorithm, and second is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Euclid division algorithm is not in our syllabus, so we will study about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This fundamental theorem of arithmetic is classified into two. First is the statement, second is its uses. In the statement, as you know, in NCERT, every composite number can be expressed as the product of prime, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs. So this statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic I have divided into 3 points. The first point, every composite number can be expressed as the product of prime. This sentence is included with it, that is, and this factorization is unique. And third point is, apart from order in which the prime factors occurs. So let us understand this statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. As per the statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, the first point A deals with every composite number can be expressed as the product of primes. Let us see the explanation of this part of statement. Suppose we have a composite number 210. So we can write it as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So these are the prime numbers written in ascending order. We can change the order. Suppose we want to write these prime factors 7 into 5 into 3 into 2. We can write this. So here, if x is any composite number, then p1, p2, p3 dot pn, all these are the prime factors of x, and all these prime factors should be written in the ascending order. But if we change the order, then that part of statement deals with the changing of order. This factorization is unique. No other factorization we can find except it. So meaning of this part of the statement is this factorization is unique, means no other type of factorization we can find out of 210. Apart from the order in which the prime factors occur, we can change the order of prime factors. Those are occurring in the composite number of 210. We can change the order, but only the order will change. The prime factors will not change. So this factorization is unique. This was the meaning of this statement. After statement, there are some uses of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The first use of this theorem is to prove that root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrational numbers. And in this section of questions, one important variant, that is to prove 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational, or at this place some other two terms may also come with the sign of plus, such as 7 plus 2 root 3 is the irrational. So this is the important. Now the second use of fundamental theorem of arithmetic is to explore the given number is terminating or non-terminating decimal, that you have studied already, to change that in the form of p by q. So there are two uses of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now let us discuss some important variants of this chapter. The first variant is in a composite number 4n, where n is the natural number, ends with 0, you have to verify it. Does it end with 0 or not? Second variant, to find SCF and LCM by prime factorization method. Third variant, product of numbers equal to LCM and SCF of those two numbers. Fourth variant, to show the result is composite number such as this number is given, you have to show that this is the composite number. Fifth variant, to change the non-terminating decimal in the form of P by Q. Now I want to say about the important variant from where the questions may be asked in this board examination. The first variant is important. In previous years, the question was asked, and that sample paper that is published by CBSE, in that also this variant is given. This is very basic thing to find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization method, but the questions may be twisted. So all the questions related with LCM and HCF you must practice. The product of two numbers, that is not too much important. To show the result is a composite number, rarely this question was asked, and to change the non-terminating decimal in the form of P by Q. So among all these five variants, two important variants are variant number 1 and variant number 4. The sixth variant of this chapter is question related with HCF. Wherever you are asked to find the largest, you must find HCF in that question. Those question pattern may be to find the largest number which is divisible by 2 or 3 digits, leaving same remainder in each case. And one more variant is related with HCF, that is to find the largest number which is divisible by 2 digits, 3 digits, leaving different remainders in each case. So what is the conclusion of this? If you are asked to find the largest number, then you must find HCF of those numbers. And there may be two cases, remainders may be same or remainders may be different. In variant number 7, the questions are related with LCM. These two variants I have written regarding LCM, to find the smallest number which is divisible by some numbers, leaving the same remainder in each case. And the second variant is to find the smallest number which is divisible by some number, leaving different remainders in each case. So questions are related with HCM and LCM. If you are asked to find the largest, so you will find HCF, and if you are asked to find the smallest, then you will find the LCM. For better preparation of this chapter, you must practice all these 7 variants from NCERT and your reference book. A part of it, I will send few questions for practice through WhatsApp in your group. So recently the trend may be followed of that questions. So you must watch that video and see the important questions. Those will be sent in your group. Thank you to all.